New legislation that has one less thing on a chicken farmer's plate.
Included legislation we'd been hoping for a long time.
Farmers raising chickens all around Delmarva breathed a sigh of relief after Congress passed and President Donald Trump signed an omnibus spending bill that restored an exemption for farmers.
A little bit more, so the reporting and the estimating on that was going to be very difficult for us to do.
The original CERCLA law was intended for ships and factories to report hazardous materials. A lawsuit filed in 2017 by environmental groups said that this should include animal agriculture. This would have cost time and money for chicken farmers.
A headache. I assume that should it have been passed, there was a possibility that we would have had to get some sort of company or business to assist us with the reporting.
That this is a law that really didn't make any sense when applied to farms, and so they were, happy to have farmers get back to doing what they do best, which is take care of the land, take care of their animals, and do right by the environment.
Senator Tom Carper and Chris Coons were among some Delaware lawmakers to co-sponsor the original legislation restoring agriculture's longest-standing exemption from CERCLA reporting.
I just think it's a big benefit. Once they understood that it wasn't intended for this purpose, they understood and got behind having it stricken or us exempted.
In Sussex County, I'm AJ Clemente for WRDE Delmarva's own NBC station.